and they produce yam and guinea corn. They are regarded as the original settlers of Gwagwalada in Abuja. According to history, the first settler was a hunter who went to hunt in tropical island, a thick forest in Abuja. Members of this ethnic group speak two languages, Bagi and Hausa. They practice Christianity, Islam, and the traditional religion is known as Kunnu. They have a population of 12 million people.
Although they were the original landlords of Abuja, many injustices were perpetrated against the Bagi people by the pre-colonial masters and the Nigerian government. Today, they don't even own the majority of the properties in Abuja. In fact, they are scattered among 5 states in Nigeria. We have Kogi, Niger, Nasarawa, Kaduna, and Abuja, with none to lay claim as theirs. The Bagi people believe that the head is sacred, so they carry loan on their shoulders the women carry loan on their shoulders like this. Among their meals are wize, which is made from guinea corn or maize. Can also be enjoyed with a soup known as kandolo. This is zepo. And this is kandolo. The women feed the men very well and they are healthy. They practice pottery. For instance, Ladi Kwali, who is well known as the first potter in Kwali, is a native of Bagi. She is the woman drawn on our 20 naira note.
Kallo dai yabawa dai na ke zugawa.
Na baka zuciya kai min tallafi cikin daɗin raina.
Na baki zuciya ki min tallafi cikin daɗin raina.
Kallo dai yabawa raina kai yake zugawa.
Yanzu a zuciya ta mata waye, soyayya rai take rinjaye, kan yi dare yau garin ya waye.
Burina ka kiraye raina baya maye.
Ruhina ya yi alƙawari ke kaɗai ki zauna. Na baki zuciya ki min tallafi cikin daɗin raina.
Sassarfa dandalin soyayya, yanzu da ni na kai kwa jayayya. Ka yi kira dole ne in juya.
Na yi kira dandalin soyayya babu sanya.
Na yi kira mai yawan alkunya ce jirin